Jai Hind, this is Cadet Aisha Khan from JDC Bitco English Medium High School. Belongs to number 1 Maharashtra, yes Cadet NCC. Going to perform yoga and their benefits. My NO Second Officer Muntode sir guided us about this activity, which is for International Yoga Day, 21st June 2021.
Jai Hind, I am Gauri Solani from JDC Bitco English Medium High School and belongs to number 1 Maharashtra Year Squad NCC going to demonstrate yogasan and their benefits. My NO's second officer Muntode sir guide us about this activity, which is international activity, and 2 is the International Day of Yoga, 21st June 2021. Now I am doing Surya Namaskar. Yoga start. Now do Marjarasana. Marjarasana is good for your digestion and good for your fat loss. Vajrasana. Now I am doing Vajrasana. This is good for your thighs fat loss.
The next is Utkasana, means chair position. Do this for 5 breaths, and its benefits are strengthening the arms, shoulders, ankles, thighs, calves and spine. Stretches shoulders and chest. The next is Anjaneyasana. It means low lunge. Same with the second leg. Benefits: stretchy feeling through the hips, arm, torso and build strength in the leg. Now the next asana is Trikonasana, means triangle pose. Benefit: it helps us to burn belly fat, reduces back pain, increase in height, it makes muscles more strong. Next asana is Padmasana, means lotus position. Do meditation for 5 minutes. Benefit: it relieves physical and mental problems. It helps us to make our mind calm. Now the next asana is Paschimottanasana, means seated forward bend yoga pose. Benefits: this feels good fold of the back of your body, lengthens your spine and stretches your hamstring. The next asana is Kumbhakasana. It means the plank pose. Do this for 2 minutes. Its benefits are: this pose strengthens your abdomen and promotes stability. Now the next asana is Bhujangasana, means cobra pose. Benefits: it benefits to entire body from toes to head. Therapeutic benefit: prevent thyroid problem. It is good for. The next and last asana is Savasana. This is the last asana after all the asanas. Its benefits are: it relaxes your whole body, it releases stress and tension and also depression. improve concentration, relax your muscles, calms your mind and improve mental health.
Hi, good morning. My name is Pallavi. Our school is celebrating International Yoga Day. So I am making a video of my favorite asana. Friction.
Hi everyone, myself Arya and Ravisha from 7A. Friends, today I'm speaking about Yoga Day. Yoga Day is the best exercise for our body and mind. Yoga has many postures and breathing exercise. We celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June. Yoga makes immune system stronger. It helps to cure many health problems. It increases focus and concentration. Surya Namaskar is a complete body exercise. Breathing exercise like Anulom Vilom relax our mind and body. Pranayam is a kind of yoga designed with a breathing exercise. We should do yoga regularly. Makes us fit and strong. Stay healthy, stay home. Thank you. Happy Yoga Day. Bye bye.